beetroot we call chukandar. Chukandar. It is chukandar. Next we have bitter gourd. Bitter gourd we call karela. Karela. It is karela. Next we have bottle gourd. Bottle gourd we call lauki. 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 Next we have mint. Mint we call pudina. Pudina. It is pudina. Pudina. Next we have spinach. Spinach we call palak. Palak. Next we have cluster beans. Cluster beans we call guar ki fali. Guar ki fali. Next we have spring onion. Spring onion we call hara pyaj. Hara pyaj because it is having